Here we have a 65 plate BMW 335D XDRIVE M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £9,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention a couple though, we do have the M Sport Plus package and the adaptive LED headlights. We have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked, with the blue M Sport brake calipers just behind. We have the blue exterior paintwork, the gloss black front grills. We also have the full M Performance kit, which includes the carbon fibre front splitter. As we take a closer look, you'll be able to see just down there. We also have the side skirts as well along the bottom. We have colour-coded door handles, black door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass as well for the rear passengers. You'll find the shark fin antennae up top. We do also have the carbon fibre rear spoiler. As we take a closer look, you can see it just there. We also have the front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. We have the Cobra dual exit exhaust, the carbon fibre rear diffuser with the F1 style light in the centre. Now if we just take a look inside of the boot, so open it up like so, you'll find we have plenty of space inside of here. It does go quite far back. We also have these extra storage pockets on either side. We have a handle just underneath here so we can pull it back down. And then walking back round to the driver's side, you find this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior, coming into the back first, you find the full black leather interior. We have the foldable armrest and the fixed ISO points back here. We do also have the vents in the centre for the rear passengers. You'll find the brush metal door handles, the blue trim, and also electric windows on the doors. We have the same full leather interior at the front, and both the front seats are heated. There's a look at them seats. We do have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights, and the automatic wipers. We have a multifunctional steering wheel. If we just take a seat inside, then you find the dashboard in front of us. Put our foot on the brake and press the start button, and the vehicle will turn on. We've got the paddle shifters on either side of the steering wheel. They've got the speed limiter and the cruise control on the left hand side. High beam assist as well, just there on that stalk. And as you can see, we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Now we also have the main infotainment screen in the centre, full of features that you've just seen on the photos. We do have the climate control in the centre just down here. We also have the heated seats as well on either side, as you can see, along with the ice cold air conditioning. Automatic gearbox for the different drive modes. We also have the cup holders inside of here with the 12-volt connectivity. Shortcuts for the infotainment screen. We have the manual handbrake, leather armrest as well in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.